how important is the time frame for everything that you're saying? So if somebody was looking at this at a 1 minute or a 3 minute or a 15 minute, even with the way that you're analyzing the market, does this change drastically the probability of what you're expecting based on like a bar close on a different time frame?
I said I have an encyclopedia of chart patterns, and I
Hmm.
probably have 10,000 charts in the different categories right now because I've been doing this for a number of years. Um, and if anybody looking at the encyclopedia, the charts in the encyclopedia will notice that I don't have axes. So I don't have price, I don't have time.
Hmm.
And that's because markets are fractal. They create the same patterns on all time frames. And if I showed you a 1 minute chart or a weekly chart of the E-mini, you'll see the same patterns. And if I didn't tell you which chart was which, you probably wouldn't be able to tell me, right?
Hmm.
So on television, if you see a trader, they don't say, "Oh, that's a weekly chart, and therefore I'm going to trade it this way." "Oh, that's a daily chart. I'm going to trade it this way." That's not how traders think. They trade all charts the same, so they just look for patterns on whatever chart they're trading, and and they trade them. You brought up different time frames. I think you got to find your comfort zone. For me, I like trading the 5 minute chart. Can I trade a 10-second chart? Yeah, I can trade it for a few minutes a day, but I don't, right? Because you don't make all that much, and so you're doing the same amount of work, and you don't get much reward, and it just takes. You have to be watching things too intensely, and if you're going to be doing this for a career, you have to be happy. You got to be profitable and happy, and happy means not stressed out. And I think most people would have a hard time trading successfully long term if they're trading more than 20 bars an hour.
Hmm.
So maybe a 3 minute chart. You might be able to trade a 2 minute chart or 1 minute chart for short periods of time, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. But if you do that, you're not going to make enough money to make a living. So it's not worth it. Focus on a chart that you can just trade throughout the day. 5 minute chart's really good. I have a bunch of tennis buddies. They know me, right? They know my professional life, and they're always asking me stuff. And one of my buddies is he trades a 15-minute chart, and he says, "Al, I can't do the 5 minute chart. It's just too stressful. I can't think fast enough." He trades a 15-minute chart, and he told me he made $300,000 last year trading the 15-minute chart. So fine, trade the 15-minute chart. That's his comfort zone. That's what he trades. So it doesn't matter what time frame you trade. What matters is, are you comfortable? Are you successfully profitable? And don't worry that somebody else, if I'm trading the 30-minute chart, this other guy trading the 5 minute chart is going to make more money than me. Who cares, right? You're doing
Hmm.
it to make money for yourself. You're not doing this to make more money than somebody else. You're not going to make more money than Ken Griffin. You're not going to make more money than Warren Buffett, right? There's always going to be somebody who does things better and makes more money. Your goal is to be happy and successful, and don't worry about if your comfort zone is trading a 15-minute chart, or if your comfort zone is trading a daily chart or a weekly chart. It doesn't matter. Find a comfort zone where you can trade profitably, and you're going to make a ton of money.